Welcome, dear students, to St. Mary's English High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 6th, Subject Maths, Chapter number 4, Operations on Fractions. Today we are going to discuss the topic addition and subtraction of fractions. Let's begin, children. Let's discuss some previous topics. Addition of fractions you all have done in the previous standards. Let's see. Here you have added two fractions with same denominator, and here you have added two fractions with different denominators where you have made the denominators same. You have also done subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions with same denominator as well as subtraction of fractions with different denominators. This both we have done in our previous standard. Now let's begin, children. Now one more example of subtraction where denominators are not same. You have to find the LCM common and they have to cross multiply and make denominators same. Now our next topic, addition of mixed fractions. Example 1, add 2 1 by 5 plus 3 1 by 2. Now this sum we will be doing by two methods. Now first, method number 1. In this method, we will write the question first. 2 1 upon 5 plus 3 1 upon 2. Here we will add both the whole numbers first together. 2 plus 3 and both the fractions we will add together. Now 2 plus 3 is 5 plus, now here denominators are not same. So we will make the denominators same by cross multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Now we got here the denominators same. So directly we can add here. So 5 plus 7 upon 10. So here we got the answer 5 7 upon 10. Here we got the answer 5 7 upon 10. Now method number 2. Now method 2 is we have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction that we have done in the previous lecture. Now this we can do by simple method. By multiplying 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. Now here 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 5 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Now here you got these two simple fractions, improper fractions you got here. So here, but denominators are not same. So again we will make denominators same by cross multiplication. 7 into 5, 2 into 5. So 11 2s are 22, 5 2s are 10. 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. So here we got the denominators same. So 22 plus 35 upon 10. So your answer is 57 upon 10. Now this you have to convert again into mixed fraction. This we can do by division method. 57 10. 10 5s are 50. Remainder is 7. So your quotient will be coming here 7 upon 10. So here we have done addition of mixed fractions by both the method. But you can solve by only one method, whichever you feel easy. Now I will solve one workbook problem. See here children. Assignment 2, add 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. Your denominators are same. So I will be solving this third sum. Your denominators are different. Now whichever method you like, you can solve. I am solving by second method. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 sevens are 7 plus 1 upon 7. Now 5 is a 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5 plus 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 7. Denominators are not same, we will make denominators same by cross multiplication. Now 26 sevens are 182 upon 35 plus 15 fives are 75 upon 35. 182 plus 75 upon 35. So you got the answer 257 upon 35. Now this you have to convert again into mixed fraction. So this you have to divide. I am showing division here, but you have to do in your rough page. 35, 257. Now for this you require table of 35. So I have done here 35, 7's answer is 245. Here remainder is 12. So here your answer will be 7, 12 upon 35. Okay children, hope you all have understood this addition of mixed fraction. Addition of. Now let's see some more examples. Here both method is being done. 9 1 by 2 plus 5 3 by 4. First method and second method. You all can have a look children. Now our next topic. Now subtraction of mixed fractions. Example number 1. 7 1 upon 2 minus 3 3 upon 8. Now children, this also we will be doing by two methods. First, without converting into improper fractions. So here what is the first step? We have to take the both whole numbers together, 7 and 3. 7 minus 3 plus sign in between, and both the fractions you have to make it together. 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8. Here if you want you can put the brackets. Now 7 minus 3 is 4. Now here denominators you have to make same. Now 2 and 8. Now 2 you can make 8 easily by multiplying by 4. So here we will change only one fraction. So here what you got? 1 4s are 4 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. 4 plus 4 minus 3 upon 8. Because denominators are same. So 4 plus 1 upon 8. So what you got the mixed fraction? 4 1 upon 8. Now same we will be doing by method number 2. Our question is 7 1 upon 2 minus 3 3 upon 8. Now here we have to convert into improper fraction first. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiplied by 8 plus 3 upon 8. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 24 plus 3 upon 8. You can skip this step also. Directly you can write here 15 upon 2 minus 27 upon 8. So here denominators again we have to make same. Yeah, we will multiply by 4. 15 fours are 2 fours are 27 upon 8. So 15 fours are is 60 upon 8 minus 27 upon 8. So what you got the answer? 60 minus 27 upon 8 is equals to 33 upon 8. Now this again you have to convert into mixed fraction. So you have to divide in the rough page. 8 and 33. Now 8 fours are 32. Remainder 1. So your mixed fraction will be, the quotient will be coming here, the remainder here and the divisor here. So you got the answer 4 1 by 8 in both the methods. Now let's solve one workbook example. Here you have given 4 sums. I think first second is very easy because denominators are 3, 4, 2 and 3. So I will be solving this third sum. Now let's do with the first method. Addition we have done previously with the second method. Children, you can use your own method whichever you feel easy. Now here 7 minus 6. We will take together the whole numbers. Now plus, and we will make the fractions together. 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10. This is your first step. Second step, 7 minus 6 is 1. Plus sign between. Now 8 and 10. Now children, if you are doing a cross multiplication, 8 times I is 80. So 80 is a very big number. So think of some smaller numbers. Now see, 8 5s are 40 and 10 4s are 40. So we can make denominators 40. So here you have to multiply by 5 because 8 5s are is 40. And here you have to multiply by 4 because 10 4s are is 40. If you want you can put the bracket. Now 1 again plus. 1 5s are 5 upon 40 minus 4 upon 40. So 1 plus, combine both the fractions, 1 plus 1 upon 40. So children, what you got the answer here? 1 upon 40. If you think the space is little smaller, so first you all solve in your rough book, then you can copy in your workbook. But do the sums very neatly, children. Hope you all have understood both the topics properly. Till then, now one more example. Here one example is solved by both methods. You can have a look. 9 1 by 2 minus 5 1 by 4. Hope you all have got it. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care all of you.